Martin Antonio on call alongside Slimbo Belga. First three-point attempt here by Torres. Mintes. Rebound right away by Clint Escamis trying to run this motion play para sa kanilang opensa. Igliane, handoff kay Lazarte. Huli dun sa pagtaga si Sean Umali. So asking for a review here.
Oo, itong si Coach Randy.
Dahil tinamaan daw sa mukha si Lazarte.
Hindi naman yung, if you were defending the guy with the ball, hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun eh. Kung yung defender nung kumukuha ng handoff is nakakasabay naman.
Oo. Kumbaga, show ka lang ng konti.
Yes.
Delay lang, delay.
And mali pa nga yung show niya eh. Yung show niya papunta dun sa defender din nung ano eh. Pag tinignan mo, papunta, dito yung manggagaling yung kukuha eh. Usually yung show mo dun sa kabila eh.
Ayun. So,
diba?
tignan natin kung tatawagan ba ng Coach Aldo signaling for
bola lang na bola.
For a flop. And then even Coach Manu behind on that bench. Nakita ko yung reaction nila. Because we're right across the coaches, but again, it was just a regular foul being called. Tinitake away yung handoff eh. Ginam ni Sean Umali. So play resumes with Mapua holding that basketball.
Yun yung ano natin. If you want to take away that handoff, be there. Be close to the guy with the ball. Hindi yung may espasyo tapos saka ka mag-hack.
And the heave here by Escamis. Wala. Transition opportunity. Inot, pipihit. Masyadong malakas. Liwag. Specialty of the house.
Ayun na naman. Yung iniinda nito ni Allen Liwag. After that shot, he was limping.
Talagang concerning yung limp dito ni Allen Liwag as we see this offensive rebound by Allen Liwag. Right in traffic, grabbing it with two hands and finishing under duress.
Ayan na. After that, he was limping.
Merong warning dito si Coach Randy Alcantara. And as we see Allen Liwag here taking free throws, or is it a technical foul right now?
Oo, kasi may warning na sila kanina. Ayan na nga. Kasi may warning na sila kanina.
So there's a technical foul here for the Mapua University Cardinals. And on the free throw line, si Ian Torres. And as Ian Torres is shooting this free throw, we want to pass to our teammate, Lysel Galco.
Despite their first half performance, the Benil Blazers came inside the dugout with their optimism high while reminding each other to remain composed and to not be intimidated. Coach Charles Chu confirmed with this by reminding them to be more patient as he calls on them for missing a lot of open shots. So he reiterated that they must capitalize on their running game and to toughen up because they can't continue playing soft against the Cardinals. And another update on Rafi Salas' injury. They are still putting pressure on the cut to stop the bleeding. Pero nang kamustahin ko itong si Celis kanina ay sinabi niyang ang iniinda niyang pain is at a 4 out of 10. Pero kakayanin at kakayanin pa rin daw niyang bumalik in the game. All for now, Coach Cameron Bo.
Tsaka na masakit yan pagkatapos na ng laro. Pero ilalaro mo pa rin yan. But good crash boards by JC Recto. And getting a putback right there. Another second chance basket.
Ayun! Yun naman yung hinahanap ni Coach Charles kanina. 2 out of 17. Sa first half dito, nakaisa agad itong si Justin Sanchez.
Law of averages lang din talaga, Bo. Kailangan tumira ka ng tumira from the outside dahil when it comes to percentages, number 4 ang Benil Blazers. Their average is right at 26.4%. Ang masakit dito, hindi sila makakuha ng mga stops. Yun lang, na-foul pa rito si Tony Inot dun sa atake ni Clint Escamis.
Ano na eh, Hail Mary shot na lang eh. Just need to play a good defense on that one. Ito yung atake kanina ni Lazarte. Good rebound by Recto.
JC Recto, rather.
Ito naman yung tres ni Justin Sanchez. Badly needed.
Kailangan nila yun. And Clint Escamis right now on the line. And he breaks that first one.
Kasi isa rin sa ano yon, pagka hindi ka nakakashoot sa labas, hindi rin makakapag-operate itong dalawang big man mo sa loob. Dahil they'll just gonna collapse on them.
Tsaka susunahin ka. Hindi
Oo.
mag-abandon ng zone yan.
Yun na, hindi.
Splits his free throws. Zone trap here. 2-2-1. Zone trap employed by the Cardinals. Enot trying to attack. And nalagaan ni Clint yung fouls niya.
Oo.
As it stands, he has 2 fouls, but he got that way early as Enot tries for a 3. Scramble for the board. Possession remains with the Blazers with a fresh 14 to work with.
Ayun na naman yung outside shots. Nakaisa na sila. On that one, mintis na naman. Pero itong si Torres, actually, he already had a shot there. Pwede niya lang i-floater yun, pero he tend to give it to Tony Enot sa labas.
Liwag, interior passing.
Malakas.
Uy, sobra yung finger roll ni Sean O'Malley. Tinamaan pa rito si Allen Liwag. Bagsak yung dalawang big man nakahawak sa leeg si Allen Liwag. Si Sean O'Malley nabagsakan din dito ni JC Recto. He made the basket. There was a foul here.
Kaya naman, binunot agad ni Coach Randy itong si Drex De Los Reyes para sa matchup dito ng dalawang big. Ganda nung hanap ni Allen Liwag. Malakas to. Yung unang attempt ni Sean O'Malley, but he still gets the rebound. Bumagsak si Allen Liwag.
Ayun, di naman sadya yung tama sa kanya ni Concepcion. Pero nung pag-landing, bumagsak din. Nabagsakan ni Sean O'Malley.
Ito si JC Recto naman.
Doon sa scramble.
Ayun, yung bagsak ni...
Ayan, di naman sadya yung kay Concepcion kasi dumidepensa siya. Yung pagbagsak.
Yung tama naman sa ulo ni Sean O'Malley dahil bumangga siya doon kay Recto. So they can't review that.
No, kasi after play, pwede naman nila i-review. Pero it's wala namang...
Walang serious contact or
tsaka,
not really unintentional...
Unintentional yung mga contact.
Unintentional hit.
Bonus free throw for Sean O'Malley.
So bonus free throw now for Sean O'Malley. Medyo naririnig na ng Mapua yung mga hakbang dito ng Benil. This lead was as high as 15 points.
Pababa na ngayon sa 7. Pwede pang maging 6 after this free throw by Sean O'Malley. Ayun na naman. You can afford that on a playoff game. Tapos you were trailing. Sobrang hirap nun.
Active hands by Sean O'Malley playing the passing lanes.
On Drex De Los Reyes. But if you were receiving a pass, at least make sure na hindi ma-deflect.
Step and pin pa rin.
Yes,
Ipin mo pa rin yung tao.
Ano mo pa rin. Protectionan mo. At all costs, yung pasa.
Escamis para sa 3. Mintes, scramble. Escamis para sa rebound. Floater. Trying to get contact. Scramble para sa rebound. Talunan ng talunan. At merong tawag kay Clint Escamis taking a foul.
Oo. Bumabagsak eh. Kumbaga wala namang ganun kaanong tama. Pero bumabagsak itong si Clint Escamis. Kaya winarningan siya doon for faking a foul. Ayan, balik sa zona itong full court press. 2-2-1. Malamang to, balik sa zona itong Mapua.
And it has worked well for them. Yung 2-2-1 zone press to 2-3 zone. Ikot ng bola ngayon. Hanap. Enot para sa 3.
Nakakadalawa na sila dito sa third quarter natin. 42-38, still in favor. Mapua.
And they're just waiting for the floodgates to open. Recto para sa 3. Pag feel mo, pukol mo.
Walang hesitation. Wala nang hesitation dito pagdating sa playoffs. Kapag kakumpiyansa ka sa tira mo, itira mo.
Torres, binabagabag ni Gonzalez. Looking for that high-low kay Allen Liwag. Torres, Sanchez. Ganda ng salo ng atake ni Sapasap. Left-hand runner. Good-looking shot, but a miss. And Sapasap secures that rebound.
Hindi natin alam kung pinapractice ni Justin Sanchez yun, pero pwede niya pang itira ng kanan yun eh. But he did to take it with his left hand. Ito naman sa Recto.
Speed advantage against Liwag. He pulls up for 3.
Wala.
Mintes.
Good box out by Sean O'Malley.
Settling for that jumper. Torres. Scoop pass. Good hands by Drex De Los Reyes. Doing a little bit of everything.
Yes. getting the steals. Ito, poste against Alin Liwag.
Oh, foul. Alin Liwag, nakakalso yung kaliwang braso. Ngayon mo lang makikita si Alin Liwag na talagang...
Mas maliit siya.
Oo, tsaka pinamasahe rin talaga siya rito.
Oo, actually. Ito yung tres ni Tony Inot.
Timeout, Benil Blazers.
Timeout muna tayo.
Oh, pitong naman dito ngayon ng Mapua, 45-38, courtesy of that three-point shot knockdown by JC Recto. Team Liwag is on deck. At dahil, dito rin, ang mga Cardinal Faithfuls, nakasuot pa ng headdress nila. Parang Angry Birds. Di ba? Yung mga Cardinals. At bukas, papaalala natin dahil bakbakan tayo, halos everyday may laro tayo.
Oo. Wala na tayong palalagpasin.
Wala na tayong palalagpasin. Bukas, yung mga number 1 seeds natin, ang Perpetual Altas, makakatapat ang JRU Heavy Bombers on the first game. Second game natin, San Beda Red Lions. Makakatapat naman ang LPU Pirates. Both teams having an advantage, talking about Perpetual and San Beda. Pero right now, the teams that have an advantage are on the roads kanina. Taking care of business ang Letran Knights. Kinuha nila yung panalo. So, knockout game yan. Dito naman, ang Mapua, lamang ngayon ng Siam out of that timeout against the Benil Blazers, who is holding on to a twice-to-beat advantage. Nagmamadali, Cuenco, floater, scramble sa rebound, tapikan, nakuha ni Justin Sanchez.
Actually, kanina maganda yung simula ng Arellano pero the veteran team of Letran is... Oh! Speaking of outside shots, dito medyo tumatama na sa third quarter natin itong CSB.
3 out of 5 3-pointers made.
Yes, sir.
In the quarter, ang Benil Blazers, better shooting para sa kanila.
Sa first half, that's 2 out of 17.
Masyashot din yan. Tira mo lang na itira. De Los Reyes.
Minamama niya dun si Alin Liwag, but better position para dito kay Alin Liwag. He didn't commit a foul.
Inot para sa 3. Mintes. Kuha dito ni Sapasap. May hawak silang 6 na puntos na lamang. Sapasap. DDN. Wakaling layup. Basket for Earl Sapasap. Tingnan natin ang sagot dito ngayon ng Benil. Ian Torres trying to maneuver his way to the shaded area. Quick hand by Sapasap. And Sai Gonzalez scoring this touchdown.
Very timely turnover para dito kay Ian Torres. Kanina, pasa doon kay Alin Liwag. Walang pinasahan. Ito naman, steal naman dito. Kaya balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Mapua, 51-41.
Cuenco off the pull-up, buckets. Earl Sapasap in transition, taking the contact, left hand finish, buckets. Stop, Sapasap, fast break, layup, runway is open, buckets para dito kay Sai Gonzalez and the perimeter guys scoring inside the paint. Number 1 scorers inside the shaded area ang Mapua this season. So alam mo na doon nila dadalhin, Bo.
Wala. Kumbaga, looking for a percentages wise. Mas high percentage doon sa shaded area rather than taking it dito sa labas.
Tsaka mas maganda yan pagka sa MOA ka lumilayap.
Oo, Brad.
Oo, kasi bukas sa MOA laro natin. Ha? Paalala natin ang Thursday. MOA tayo. Kaya yung mga student bodies, alumni, and everyone, try to get your tickets for our next quarterfinal pairings. Mamaya, papakita natin yan. Celis, susubok mula sa labas. Wala, good box out. By Sapasap. Transition basket na naman. Uy! Ganda ng peke, pero ganda rin ng recovery ni Celis. Good recovery there by Ravi Celis with rocking the headband over that stitches that he got. But great box out here by Sapasap on Sean O'Malley.
Rebound, leak out, pero good recovery by Ravi Celis. Na-fake na siya eh.
Parang pwede rin mag-triple jump member tong si Celis sa NCAA track and field. Sapasap, PP hit. Float shot by Gon De Los Reyes. Medyo binibi. Cometa, 3-on-1. And on the attack, Sean O'Malley makes that shot.
Very rarely na makita mo tumakbo itong CSB. They usually go for the sets.
Sets. Pero
half-court sets. Pero they have the chance, they take it, and they are successful with that layup by Sean O'Malley. Ito na naman si Gonzalez.
Floater, scramble on the box out. And Drex De Los Reyes was called for that push. So ito muna yung fast break na ibinanggit natin kanina. Quick passing, Sean O'Malley getting that bucket. And looking at fast break points na banggit natin, number 1 ang Mapua, number 2 ang Benil, averaging 13 a game. Quick timeout here for Mapua. They're holding on to an 8-point lead. Well, action heating up here inside the court, 51-43, 8-point lead. The students are in attendance. They're enjoying the action. They're enjoying the support. Nonchalant lang. Nonchalant.
Nasa camera tayo.
Yes, enjoying the action.
Kung nag-i-enjoy sa action, tayo dito yung mga cameraman natin nag-i-enjoy din sa pag-sight.
I will exercise my right of not self-incriminating myself. Back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game tayo ngayon. Lamang dito ng 8 ang Mapua. But we enjoy everybody being here. Again, it's playoff basketball. Quarterfinals tayo for the right to get into our Final Four. Coach Hammer Martin Antonio, Bo Belga, Tyson Galpo on the sidelines.
Ito na naman yung zone ng Mapua. Even if they make a couple of threes kanina, eto, Celis, wala.
Pero nakatapat pa rin dito. Mitura, nagmamadali, 1-on-3, sasagasa. He takes the contact and he gets the continuation.
Basket counts for Cyrus Mitula.
Tsaka Brad, pagka may buwelo, ang hirap eh.
Wala.
Balikat sa balikat, nakatagilid ka, tatalbog ka talaga eh.
May momentum si Nitura eh. Samantalang itong si Justin Sanchez inaabangan yung atake niya eh. Pero syempre, kung if you have the momentum, mas malakas ka talaga.
Tsaka dalawa lang naman yan. It's either mabigat ka,
Oo.
kaya mong sumalo ng momentum. O pag magaan-gaan ka, kailangan mas mababa ka.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagka medyo nagtitinikling ka pa dun
Parehas
sa
na kayo
gilid, nakatagilid ka, tatalbog ka. Tsaka tingnan mo yung hubog ng balikat din ni Ture eh.
Ano rin eh.
Mukhang tamad mag-weights, tamad huminto.
Wala yatang weights room sa Mapua. Ayun lang.
Kita mo, pare-parehas nila eh.
Pare-parehas sa build actually.
So stop basket rather by Mapua, but they didn't convert that bonus free throw. They'll take a field goal. 10-point lead for the Cardinals. Cab Cometa, top of the key, atake, pasa kay Celis. They're trying to engage this offense. Downhill drive. At natapigan pa ito si Sean O'Malley. Cometa from the outside. Scramble for the rebound. Again, Nitura. And he gets fouled on the board. He earns 2 free throws.
Pushing foul, number 20, Justin Sanchez, penalty.
Kita mo naman yung positioning ni Nitura against Sean O'Malley. Di ba? Sean O'Malley is bigger, but Nitura knows how to position himself.
At saka, Bo, alam natin to. Pagka nandiyan ka sa shaded area, kapag tumalbog yung bola, hindi lang nakapwesto ka dyan. Babanggain at babanggain ka pa rin eh. So kailangan ready ka.
Marunong ka rin tumanggap ng bangga. Ay, hindi lang normal na bangga, ha? Yung banggang talagang
Katatanggalin ka dun sa pwesto.
iindahin mo or talagang i-dislodge ka for them to have a better chance to get the rebound.
And it's a legal play.
Yes,
it's a
it
legal
is.
play.
Oh,
You're
it
jockeying for position. Nothing dirty. You're just being physical. Pero 1 out of 3 free throws. Ito huling tatlong trips ni Nitura. Tatabayanan natin yan. Oli para sa 3. Mintes.
Ayun na naman.
Si Cuenco nakahawak.
Yeah.
Pwede bumangga, bawal humawak.
Oo. Pwede mong box out it, pero wag mong kakapitan.
Pagka kumapit ka dyan, may bayad.
May bayad.
Kahit nakasabit, may bayad po yan.
Foul ka.
Kano na ba ngayon? 16, 17. Pero bola dito ngayon ng binil. Kometa, susubok mula sa 3.
Ayun naman. Yun na nga. For them to have a better dito, they need to make threes para lumuwag itong depensa ng Mapua. Even if they're making threes, they have a better percentage in the third quarter. Pero kita mo, nakasona pa rin itong Mapua.
Pero kasi threes are better than twos. Pag
Yes,
nasushoot
sir.
mo. Pag nasushoot. In this quarter, nakakashoot ang biniyot sa labas. Pero yung mga ganito, yung mga mararamdaman mo kasi yung 2 points ng Mapua dahil galing sa mga rebound.
Oh! Yun yung kanina pa natin sinasabi na you need to give Mapua 1 possession only. Eh dito sa huling possession, 3 agad eh.
Pinuputakte nila ng offensive
Oo.
rebounding. Oli. Swing ng bola kay Inot. Tony Inot, he gets the ball screen. Pasa sa ilalim. And on that push, natawagan si Sai Nitura.
Both teams are in the penalty. Ito yung atake. Pass, kick out ulit kay Gab Cometa.
Well, better shooting quarter
Oo, para
for
dito.
the Benil Blazers from the outside. Because as it stands now, they made 4 out of 11 3-pointers. But overall, it's just 6 out of 28. A little under their average as we see Allen Liwa convert that free throw.
Pero pag binibigay sa iyo yung ganyan, you need to take it with confidence.
Yep.
Kasi hindi mo pwedeng ipasap yan, lalo lang lulubog ang kumpiyansa mo eh.
Yung mga hindi nga nag-shooting, tira ng tira sa labas eh. Kumpiyansa lang.
Kung kanya-kanyang kumpiyansa lang yan.
Kumpiyansa
Ito
lang
ang
yan.
kailangan mong masolusyonan din if you're CSB. You need to make free throws.
Yep, 10 out of 19. Shooting at 52.6%. We'll check that. That's 11 out of 21 after that trip. 52.4% from the line. Dami yan. 10 na yung minitis na ng free throw. And that might haunt them in the end game. Sa pass
Yes, sir.
on the pull-up.
Lalo na pag nakahabol sila dito. Mahaba-habang usapan yan with Coach Charles Chu pagka tinignan yung stats.
Nakapatay na rito ang shot clock. Last shot time. Oh! Good defense there by Sai Gonzalez. Trying to put a little bit more pressure. Inot. Kick out. Strong side. Good defense by Sapasap on the veer switch. Challenging that three-pointer.
Yung recovery nila eh. Parang hindi na mapagod eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Ito, naiwan na si Sapasap ni Inot pero he still recovers to Morales at the corner.
A little on tap here.
As expected sa playoffs, you will see bumps here and there.
Saka hindi ka na dapat nasa-surprise.
Hindi na.
Pagka mapuwa kalaban mo, kailangan natulog ka ng kompleto, kumain ka ng maayos, tsaka ready ka. And as we end our third quarter, the lead stands at 9 points for the Mapua Cardinals, 56-47. fourth and final quarter when we return. And a lot of colorful conversations being had by myself and Bo Belga. Just going through our shared stories for our time here in the NCAA. Muli magandang araw sa mga nakatutok sa atin. Mga kapuso, playoff basketball, Mapua against the Benilde Blazers. And Benilde having a good third quarter, Bo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Medyo better third para dito sa Benilde kasi nga, they were making shots from the outside. So, medyo lumuluwag.
Lumuluwag nga yung depensa. Pero po, kayo na pinag-uusapan natin during the quarter break, kailangan may mga mama ka sa team. Mamaan kasi talaga ang laban sa NC, lalo na pagka-playoffs na. Nitura, susubukan atakihin ang depensa. And off the bounce, Allen Liwag controls that rebound.
Parang yung atake ni Nitura na yun. Binamahan niya na lang ito si Justin Sanchez, pero Justin Sanchez has a better position dito kay Nitura.
Sanchez nadulas. Napaganda pa at naipasa kay Allen Liwag. Nakadagit dito ng foul si Allen Liwag.
But Allen Liwag is struggling.
Natisod. Tamaan yung paanik ng Escamis. Akala ko nadulas.
Kala ko rin nadulas eh.
Maganda pala yung kapit ng sapatos.
Maganda yung kulay eh.
Oo, pink na pink eh. Parang si Ryan, no?
Oo, Ryan Aranya, mga ganyan eh. Yung mga kakaibang kulay na sapatos.
Pag nagsuot ka ng ganyan sa amin kay Coach Koy, pahuhubad sa'yo. Ayaw ng matingkad. As we see free throw made.
Hindi pa naman kasi uso nung college tayo.
Kailangan kakulay ng uniforme.
Oo, usually.
Baba, ito na naman tayo sa mga noong araw na usapan.
Mas magandang binabalikan yung mga nakaraan, pare.
Pero Brad, pag kami nanonood kay replay ng laro natin, kinakabahan pa rin ako baka ma-shoot mo yung jump shot. But here, mintis ang free throw. Again, marami-rami kaming shared stories ni Bo. Pero siya madalas naglalaro. Ako yung rotation na pampangga eh. Kasi ako yung kawawa eh. So here now is Mapua holding on to this 8-point lead. Igliane. Dribble handoff to Escamis. Escamis susubok ng mid-range jumper. Wala. Rebound. Pinitas. Pero napitawan ni Nitura.
Diba?
Ibang-iba, no? Kinukuha ng Mapua talaga sila.
Sa taas, sa taas.
Ay, baksaw din ako. Tatalunin namin yung rebound. Nung tayo magpang-abot. Liwag on the short throw. Masyadong matining yung pasa. Mabilis na mabilis. Pasa muna natin kay Glyson. Meron siyang update sa atin from the sideline.
Thank you, Coach Hammer. To play like there is no tomorrow. This is King Cardinal Clint Escam's promise for today. Ani niya, ang gusto niyang makita mula sa kanyang kupunan ay that stronger will for that W until the last second of the game. And this is also what Coach Randy Alcantara urges from the team coming into the fourth quarter as he continues to remind them to be more sensitive and aware of their opponents while keeping their mental composure high, emphasizing that they cannot let the mental game get to them and because they must focus on executing well. So let's see if they'll be able to successfully extend their chances of getting a back-to-back title. Coach Hammer and Bo.
Maraming salamat, Glycel. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin kanina, sakto-sakto, right on cue, yung mentals. Kasi pag nagiging physical yung laro, tapos hindi ka sanay,
medyo magagalit ka eh.
Mararating ka
Oo,
talaga.
mapipikong ka. Dahil nga hindi ka sanay na pinipisikal ka, binapangga ka. Pero pagka ready ka, kahit anong bangga mo sa akin,
sanay ka eh.
Tapos ka sa akin.
Kasama sa laro eh. Yung mga contact. Pero dito development, fourth foul ni JC Recto on that illegal screen to the play prior to this. Three-pointer on the way, wala. Rebound ni Recto. Clint Escamis ngayon. Pasa kay Recto. Recto bibit-bit.
Wala.
Uy, kinalawit
Ganda ng Kalawit. Speaking of Kalawit rebound, Benetura kanina. Ito si Tony Inot naman.
Inot. Didiskarte on the ball screen. Susubok mula sa 3.
Patay!
Tony Inot.
Kasado at sigurado. Mula sa labas, si Tony Inot naibaba na sa 5 ang lamang. Playing for an additional play date ang Mapua. Cuenco, binabagabag ni Oli. Cuenco, pasa, Igliane for 3. Matatandaan natin, game number 2, Igliane. Dalawang 3-pointer na mabigat ang binitawan. No? Sa harapan din ni Allen Liwag.
Hindi mo akalaing titira eh.
Pasa sa ilalim, Sanchez, masikip ang depensa. Dambulan sa bola, nakakuha rito ngayon ni Recto.
Good positioning by Allen Liwag, but better rebounding skills by JC Recto. Even if it's Allen Liwag na nakaposisyon doon sa kanya.
Wala, importante makuha yung bola eh. Igliane.
Kala ko, iisa pa eh.
Escamis, Recto, sinukat ang depensa.
Patay.
Mula sa kanto, asintado, JC Recto, back-to-back 3-pointers para sa Mapua.
Yun ang hindi pwedeng mangyari na inaasinta ni JC Recto ang tira mo, ang tira niya.
Ito na.
Ito na yung nating mental. Ito yung tira ni Igliane. Nating.
Ganado.
Oo, nasa challenge siya eh. Kanina pa sila nagtatrastukan ni Allen Liwag eh. Ito naman yung sinusukat lang eh. Sinusukat ni JC Recto yung kung hanggang saan yung challenge ni Justin Sanchez. Pero yun nga.
One day advance yung celebration ni Igliane. Backpedal, pang molokation. Di ba? Sa atin dati, takbong Araneta. Pang finals yun eh. Ito, yung MOA.
MOA. Speaking of MOA, MOA nga pala tayo bukas.
So,
maganda takbuhan ng mga player natin bukas.
Tingnan natin dito kung ano yung nangyari. Konting contact. Uy.
Wala na. If it's a...
Tsaka pumunta rin kasi si Cuenco.
Papunta doon eh.
Papalabas na si Liwag eh.
And yung tama talaga ng shoulder dahil matangkad itong si Allen Liwag, sa mukha talaga.
So, nag-react din kasi ng bahagya sa
konti si Allen Liwag. That's how important Allen Liwag is. Kailangan...
I-instigate talaga nila eh. So, kailangan kalmado.
Relax lang.
Relax lang. You're down by 11. Focus ka lang dyan. Kasi Brad,
pag nawala ka.
Tsaka, Bo, ikaw, magde-defer ako sa'yo dito dahil ikaw, isa ka sa mga main guys talaga eh. Expected mo na yan eh, di ba, pre?
If you're a go-to guy, you need to expect a lot of things, a lot of tiki-taki things na mangyayari. Kasi nga, go-to guy ka eh. Sisirain ang laro mo. Kukuruting ka dyan. Basta lahat ng mga hindi magagandang pwedeng gawin sa'yo, gagawin na sa'yo, masira lang ang laro mo.
Lulusot at lulusot.
Pero
ako, hindi ko gagawin sa'yo. Kasi bago pa tayo nagkalaban sa inyo, magkakilala na tayo.
Oo naman.
Alam mo, gamesmanship eh.
Yes,
Iba na
sir.
nga ngayon eh. Ngayon kasi dahil meron ng replay,
A lot of cameras also.
meron ng review.
A lot of cameras. Nung time natin, apat lang eh.
review. Baseline, kabilaan, saka yung
yun na.
press box,
Yung
saka
dun
dito.
na.
Dito,
ngayon,
hanggang doon sa pinakagilid. Kitang-kita
alam ko,
lahat.
Ano yan eh? 10?
Tsaka GMA tayo.
Oh, Brad?
HD pa yan.
Na isuzoom in yan, Brad.
So that was just a foul, number 34. It's an unsportsmanlike foul. Heavy call there.
Yun na lang.
Category 1.
Foul was on
Yun ang mahirap.
number 1, Michael Gunn, and a sportsmanlike foul.
I don't want to say this, but the
number
Benil
34,
Blazers
Michael
look rattled with
Yes.
physicality ngayon.
Yes.
Kasi they're reacting.
They are not ready for the physicality of
Cyril
Mapua.
Gonzalez coming in for the Cardinals.
Yep.
Di ba? And yun man eh. It's already the elimination has passed. You know that Mapua is a physical team.
They're not a dirty team.
No,
Physical,
they're not.
tough
They're
team. They
physical.
would just be
Oo.
on your grill. They would throw their body at you.
Yes.
Not a dirty team, a physical team. Walang hanky-panky.
Magkaiba.
But they would put that. Kita mo yun, no? Ididikit talaga ni Cuenco yung mukha niya sa'yo eh. Ganun talaga sila. And it's their DNA.
Yes,
and they're
sir.
a tough team. They're a tough out. Kaya sila champion. Hindi yan papayag na itutulak-tulak mo lang.
Wala.
Talagang lahat ng pwede nilang ibigay.
Ibibigay
nila sa'yo.
Oo.
Di yan magbabaon pa uwi.
Babaon mo pa uwi. Masakit din naman ang katawan mo.
Oo.
Ganun din yun.
Ganun
Ayun
din
na
eh.
naman.
But this was a free throws dahil of that shot attempt ni Allen Liwag. So now, 2 free throws for Sai Cuenco.
Plus ball possession.
Yun ang
Diba?
mabigat.
Yun ang mabigat. The ball
Shooting
possession
3 free throws
itself.
is Cyrus Cuenco.
And Sai Cuenco is a
For the Mapua Cardinals.
better free throw shooter than Allen Liwag.
So
Diba?
right now, Sai Cuenco, let's look at his numbers.
Oy, he misses on the first one.
67% and a half. 67 and a half. Almost 68%.
Not really a better percentage for a guard.
For a guard, dapat
Diba?
mga nasa 75 ka.
70,
Pero
75, yes.
dalawa
Oh!
pa yung mintis.
Narinig yata tayo.
Ball possession.
Nung sinabi natin, mas better
14
itong si...
seconds on the shot
Pero
clock.
ang development nun is 4 na foul na si Allen Liwag.
Yun lang.
Tingnan natin kung maapektuhan yung aggressiveness niya dito.
Yun lang. Diba?
Tsaka tingnan mo yung bench ng Binil dito, parang nagulat din sila eh. Ayun, parang naghahanap dito si Coach Charles kung sino yung ready
Oo.
para sumagot dito sa challenge ng Mapua.
Patay!
Cyrus
And
Cuenco.
the silent assassin strikes
Yes.
again. Sai
Assassin.
Cuenco.
He doesn't even need a ball screen. Just go one-on-one. He took one-on-one kumeta. Tapos, ayun na.
So here comes Binil trying to chip away on this lead. Umali,
Ayun
50
naman.
hit. Getting clubbed and clobbered.
Speaking of mamaan, minamana ni Sean O'Malley doon dahil nga ito yung atake ni Cuenco. Talagang clear out nila on the right side. Itong si Cuenco against Gab Cometa. He just took it one-on-one. Nakasabay si Cometa. Ayun na naman.
Assassin. But missing free throws.
Uh-huh.
College of St. Benilde.
And you are trailing.
Gotta knock down
That's
those.
what's hurtful. You were trailing and then you were missing free throws. Dalawa pa.
13 out of 25, 27 after that trip. Below 50% from the free throw line. Kabila naman, 50%. Ang Mapua, 10 out of 20. Cuenco. Gonzalez para sa 3.
Wala.
Mintes, rebound dito ngayon ni Umali. Sean Umali ang nagbababa ng bola. And Clint Escamis
Ayun.
taking that contact, sacrificing his body, but getting called for a foul.
Uh-huh.
Knocking foul on
But kudos to Clint Escamis. After suffering 2 personal fouls, na-manage niya yun. Hindi na siya, ngayon pa lang yung pangatlo niya.
Tsaka hindi bumababa yung work rate niya.
Yes,
Gumagambol pa rin sa
Oo.
passing lanes, sumusundot pa rin.
Maano pa rin siya on the steal, pero he did a better job. Ayun na naman.
Dahil nung first meeting nila in the regular season, he fouled out.
Oo,
During
actually,
that game.
maaga pa yun, ha? Maaga pa. Nung na-foul out si Clint. Same scenario, foul trouble sa first quarter. Tapos, maaga siya nag-foul out.
Coming in for the Cardinals.
Ito, very quiet day for Concepcion.
Lamang sila dito na 11. Papasok tayo sa kalahati ng ating fourth quarter. Recto. Di matanganan na maigi ang bola. May swing into Gonzalez. Hahatakin dito. Pinagre-relax sila dito. Susukatin ng depensa. 8 seconds. 2-man game. Gonzalez. Gusto niya itong matchup na to against Liwag. Pull up sa harap ni Allen Liwag. Moonshot para dito kay Sai Gonzalez.
Kumaapaw ang kumpiyansa ng Mapua.
Batsyang-batsa yung ring.
Oo. Ang laki ng butas. Ito naman.
Somebody who has been playing well in this
Yes,
game
sir.
is Ian Torres.
Uh-huh.
Now with his third three-pointer made.
Kanina, costly turnover. Pero bumawi siya dito nang binili siya ni Coach Charles. 3 agad para dito kay... Bawi na naman! Wow!
Shot.
Oo.
3-pointer pa.
And hindi nag-hesitate. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa Mapua. They're not hesitating. Ito, hesitation na naman ng Sanchez. Tapos,
kumpiyansa sila sa depensa nila.
yes.
Torres.
Ayun lang. Napasobra itong si Concepcion.
On the closeout. Tingnan natin.
Oo.
Ito yung ISO.
Pushing foul on number 34.
Pull up eh. One dribble pull up eh, no?
Inside
In
out.
and out lang.
Got
In and out.
Concepcion, 5 fouls.
Yun oh. Relax lang.
Ano lang. Kasi ito yung sagot ni Torres. Tres.
Mhm.
Sa kabila naman, babanat din ng outside shot dito. Si Sai Gonzalez, and that's a clear 3-point shot on that last field goal attempt by Sai Gonzalez. And on that ensuing play, natawagan ng 5th personal foul si Yam Concepcion.
Kaya pala very minimal playing time para ito kay Yam Concepcion dahil suffering. Hindi natin napansin yung Brad.
Oh, yung fouls.
He was suffering for dun sa foul trouble.
Dito, sure ball ako. Sa lahat ng ginamit ni Coach Randy Alcantara, sulit na sulit yung mga foul.
Oo naman.
Pero di mo na pwede dalhin sa bakasyon yan. Di mo na madadala sa season 1 o 2 yan.
Hindi na. Pagdating sa next game mo,
No.
reset 5 fouls na naman. Kaya naman sila, yun nga, the deeper the bench you have, better chances for you.
So free throws, tatlo to para kay Justin Sanchez. Very important free throws work.
No?
Almost 4 minutes remaining here. A little over 4 minutes remaining.
Very quiet production para dito kay Justin Sanchez. Oh!
And he misses that free throw.
Uh-huh.
So right now, Justin Sanchez is shooting 2 out of 12 from the field. 8 points. And he's still at 8 points. Liwag, sumalpal pang inabot kay De Los Reyes. Nalulunod din si Allen kay De Los
Oh,
Reyes.
ang laki. Ang laki.
Ang haba. At saka, maganda yung feel sa laro nito ni De Los Reyes. And Coach Raiko Toroman
Oo.
11
behind the
seconds on
bench.
the shot clock.
Here comes Torres.
Oh,
Quick hands by
ayun
Sai
na naman.
Gonzalez. And an unsportsmanlike foul. Easily here. Dahil naka-leak out na si Sai Gonzalez. One of the quickest defenders that we have
And
on
sportsmanlike
defense.
foul on number 38, Ian Torres.
Quick,
Good D by Gonzalez.
Joven Ancheta.
quick hands by Sai Gonzalez. He is number 2 when it comes to steals, averaging a shade under 2 steals a game. And on that ensuing possession,
They were asking...
they gave up an unsportsmanlike foul. Dahil may nauna na nga, may naka-leak out na. Si Gonzalez lumik out. And finaul.
They were asking for a review itong Mapua, but the referees were saying na wala.
Sinasabi nila na yung na-foul si Cuenco.
Oo. Oo nga, tama naman. Si Cuenco.
Yung pala yung unsportsmanlike. Akala ko dahil naka-leak out na, dahil may nauna.
Oo.
Hawak ni Cuenco yung bola. Tama naman, tama. Good job sa ating mga committee.
Kasi it happens in the previous games. I was covering the game. Ang na-foul iba, tapos iba yung nag-free throw. Kaya, ito, very strict na sila dito sa ano natin na make sure that the guy taking the free throw is yun yung pinaul. Kasi nangyari yun eh. The foul happens under.
Ball possession stays with the Mapua.
It's with Binil.
14
Sa ilalim yung foul, iba yung tumira ng free throw.
Oo, ang na-foul si Gaspay, tapos ang tumira si Justin Sanchez. Ito yung steal ni Gonzalez.
Yan,
Ayun yung unsportsmanlike foul by Torres kay Cuenco.
So Mapuas trying to press the right buttons here. They like this matchup. Lagi nagko-cross matchup. Gonzalez!
Wow! Akala ko, pasok kay Gonzalez yun.
Scramble para sa rebound. Nakuha dito ngayon ni Justin Sanchez. Ancheta, pass back. Ni Boomerang sit back to Sean Umali. Pero natapikan.
Nanlalaki rin ang mata ni Gonzalez kapag ka nagsiswitch doon sa ball screen. Nakupunta sa kanya si Allen Liwag.
Pinapatulog lang si
Oo.
Allen Liwag ng mga galaw eh. Malagari binagalawan eh. Sinishake lang yung depensa. Floater, Ancheta. Then
That's
he
a
gets
foul.
fouled.
It is a foul. Even if it's just like
Vertical
challenging
lang,
it,
no?
naka-vertical lang. Pero
Foul, number 88,
pag bumangka kay Drex De Los Reyes, lalo na kung ito si Ancheta lang,
Watkins got it, coming in for the Cardinals.
medyo mag-iiba.
2 free throws for Jomel Ancheta.
So 2 free throws coming up para dito kay Jomel Ancheta. He misses that first free throw. And a bad shooting day para sa Benilde Blazers. Isa pa dapat natin tignan dito yung turnover stories natin para sa magkabilang koponan. We're looking at 14 turnovers for Mapua, 15 for the Blazers. That's a little bit high for the expectation dito ni Coach Charles Chu. And the shots are there. Binibigay para dito sa Benilde. They just need to knock down their shots.
They can't knock it down. The execution was there. The only problem that they have now is finishing the shots. Ito na naman.
Igliane on the rip. Has a speed advantage.
Shot clock violation.
And a shot clock violation called on the Benilde Blazers. Well, the Mapua Cardinals, rather. So here comes Benilde. Trying to carve out something and somewhat of a run here in the final stages of our fourth quarter. Gonzalez splitting the double. Grabe naman yun! Daw nilalaro at pinapatulog lang ang depensa. Sai Gonzalez biniyak yung double team. Dire-diretso papunta sa ring. Tingnan natin ang bawi dito ngayon ng Benilde. 14 ang lamang sa kanila. Poste, kick out. Sanchez swings it. Inot para sa 3. Mintes, rebound ng Mapua.
Ang bilis ng recovery ng Mapua eh. Coming off a double, kick out. Nakakabalik agad sila sa depensa. Kaya pagdating dito sa atake ng CSB, talagang pilit na. Hurried shots. Ito na naman si Cuenco. Wala. Ooh!
Landing spot.
Aray ko.
Post for post dahil yung pag-challenge.
Here is a review on the left hand.
Nakahawak sa kanyang left ankle si Sai Cuenco.
Medyo hindi maganda dahil nga
Landing spot.
Ooh!
He turned that left ankle.
but he was challenging.
Oo.
He was challenging.
And
Hopefully nothing serious on
this basic to just tighten up the
Yes.
shoe, dunk it in ice.
Hindi na pwede yung pinagugulong ngayon sa bote.
Bukas pa yun pagka
Mabaga,
namaga,
yeah.
kailangan ng mobility.
Yes, sir.
Kailangan igalaw-galaw mo yan para hindi mamaga. But ang kagandahan lang din doon, even if with the sprained ankle, he is taped, even with you rolling an ankle, towards the latter part of the season, peak condition ka.
Oo.
Medyo mas kayang
mas mabilis,
i-withstand ng
mas
katawan
mabilis
mo.
mag-recover yung
Oo.
katawan mo.
And if
Ayun
you're
na nga.
doing your strengthening,
It will be called for a unsportsmanlike foul kasi nga tumama eh. But yun nga, challenge nitong si Justin Sanchez, yun nga, yung landing spot lang talaga, where he landed, dun din luman itong si Sai Cuenco.
and
Kaya
hopefully, dahil their game will be
will be on Friday.
Friday. Tama ba? Ang game natin, if Mapua win, so baka maging double header pa tayo. Kasi
Yes.
bukas, sa Mall of
MOA
Asia
tayo.
Arena tayo. As we see Clint Escames shooting this 3 free throws.
Usually, wala tayong game
Pahinga
on a
tayo
Thursday.
pag Thursday, pero dahil playoffs, wala tayong pahinga.
Wala
Rekta
na.
tayo,
Diretso na.
dire-diretso tayo hanggang Biyernes. Pag natapos na, naituloy ng Mapua itong maganda nilang pinapakita. They're a minute and 46 away from taking this first game. They're
Shooting
comfortably
free throws
leading
is Clint
by
Escamis.
14 points.
Yes, sir.
So here's Clint Escamis on the line, knocking down that first free throw. Clint Escamis shooting more than 79%, a shade under 80% from the free throw line. One of their most reliable free throw shooters, but he misses that second free throw. So one more coming up for
Very quiet day for Clint Escamis. Kaya kinakamusta ni Cuencos kinakamusta ni Glycel itong si Cuenco.
mahirap kasi yung pagka si Sai yung kumusta kay
Oo.
Glycel.
Iba yun, di ba?
Yan.
Iba
Okay,
yun.
1 out of 3. Back to the ball game tayo, Bo. Ikaw ha.
Ang bilis mo
Okay na nga eh, matatawid na natin yung game eh. na Hindi tayo
Ang bilis mo kumabay, pare.
Miskwala eh. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 1 out of 3 on those 3 free throws. Si Clint Escamis, they're up by 15 with time on their side. 100 seconds remaining in this ball game. Gonzalez trying to be the closer. Floater.
Wala.
He misses that shot. But time is on their side right now.
Kita mo yung kumpiyansa no Gonzales eh, no? Doon ka, ako na.
Umiscore ng 7 puntos dito sa
Magkakasunod
quarter
eh. Magkakasunod eh.
Oo.
And very timely. Pagka, alam mo yung nag-ano na mag-run ang CSB.
May sagot.
Oo, ang bilis. Lamang pa sa sagot itong Mapua.
Hindi lang I love you 3 times a day yung sagot.
Hindi lang, pare.
Oo, marami. Bawat, pag nakakaramdam ng buwelo, yung Mapua, meron silang sagot. May
Oo.
baon eh.
Kumbaga sa boxing,
Counter punch.
may jab, may pang-counter agad eh.
Kasi may ibaba ng bininto sa 5.
5. Tapos wala na.
Diniinan ng Mapua. Kaya sila champion team. Diyan mo
Oo.
malalaman ngayon yung character na gusto pa nila maglaro. Ayaw pa ni Clint at saka ni Sai na maging last game to ng kanilang
Yes, sir.
collegiate career.
Ayaw pa nila ng last game. Gusto pa nila meron sa Friday and so on and so forth. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan abutin ang kampanya ng Mapua.
Saka double header pa tayo sa Friday.
Oo.
Dahil Letran taking care of their undercard.
Against Arellano kanina.
And Mapua convincingly gets this W with a lot of aggression, physicality, and just wanting it a little bit more.
Kita mo naman. Lamang na ng 15 eh. Ayaw pa rin mag-let go ng Mapua. They still play hard until the last seconds of this ball game.
And Bo, anong tingin mo rito sa format natin this season?
It's okay. It's fine. Kasi nga, walang na out. Usually sa yung previous ano natin, pag nasa 6, 7, 8, 9 ka na, ano na eh,
Pag nasa
alanganin
6,
ka na eh.
7 ka na,
Oo.
oo.
Alanganin ka na eh. Usually, kumbaga parang nagiging bonus na lang eh. Tatama rin na maglaro, hindi na sila ano, pero dito,
Palag lahat.
oo, yung 10 natin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Hanggang sa, yun nga, yung play-in natin yesterday between Mapua and LPU and San Sebastian, tapos JRU and EAC.
Oh, bukas sa MOA yan. Yung yung play-in,
Yung
di ba ka
play-in
nasa
natin
dulo?
yesterday, oo.
Dahil nabanggit mo yung JRUAC kahapon na naging play-in. Yung LPU, Baste. Yung dalawang under na teams, twice to beat. Gagawin nilang twice beaten kasi nakuha parehas ng lower seeded team.
You
Yung
wanna
panalo.
extend your season also. It's like kung ano yung ano ng Letran and Mapua in today's ball game. And
Nakakuha nga nila. Sai Gonzalez, napili nating best player of the game. Pinili mo siya, Bo.
wala, takeover mode eh.
Daisy 7 puntos.
17. Ayun, I was supposed to pick Drex De Los Reyes.
Pares tayo ng pick.
Usually, pero iba ang ginawa nung Sai Gonzalez, yung Gonzalez, pare.
As we hear the school hymns, we will be back for the wrap-up of